In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. From there, go to your profile section. Once in your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. This will open the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy and select Notifications. Once you are in the notification settings, tap on Message and ensure that all message notifications are enabled. Now, let's navigate to the Settings app on your device, scroll down and find the Sounds option. You will notice that the sound for notifications are set to default. Unfortunately, when it comes to changing notification sounds, specifically for Instagram, there is no direct option available on the iPhone. This limitation may not provide the answer you were hoping for. However, if you are using an Android device, you can access the sound settings and customize them according to your preference. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.